How to recover disabled Discord account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover a disabled Discord account. To recover a disabled Discord account, you will need to simply follow these steps. First of all, you will need to check your email and there look for an email from Discord explaining why your account was disabled. This email will provide you the important information regarding the reason and any necessary actions you need to take. Also, if you believe your account was disabled unfairly, then you can submit a support ticket through the Discord support page at dis.gd/contact. For that, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and here in the search bar type in dis.gd/contact. This is the support page of Discord. Once you have entered this URL, press on enter button to search for it and then you will be taken to the official website of Discord support page. Here now you will need to submit a request. Click on this box right here, then select the appropriate heading. After selecting the heading, now enter the email address. Click on this box that says how can we help? And from here, click on this appeal and action taken on my channel and then check the box right here and then you will need to enter your server ID here. After entering the server ID, enter your subject. After that, here you will need to scroll down. Also, you'll get the suggested articles. From here, find the one that is related to yours and then click on it to view the articles. Also after that, scroll down and here, enter description about the Discord account. You may write, I haven't violated any rights, still my Discord account is disabled. Please help to recover my account as soon as possible. Once after adding the description, if you have the file or photos, you can also click on this add file and upload them. And after that, click on the submit button right here. After submitting your ticket, you will need to wait for the response. Also avoid opening multiple tickets as this can complicate your checks and delay the process. After that, if requested, you will also need to prepare to provide the verification of your identity. After that, you'll need to follow the prompts and your disabled account will be recovered. Also note that accounts disabled for violating Discord terms and services may not be recoverable if there is insufficient evidence of your wrongdoing. So by following these steps, you should be able to recover a disabled Discord account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.